So yeah, my name's Paul Saxman, as Ann pointed out, and so I'm a developer advocate for Google TV. And Google TV is well, it's actually two open apps platforms brought for televisions. One is Chrome. So, oh, sorry, all the way up. Okay, so I feel like I'm eating ice cream. So yeah, two open apps platforms. One is Chrome. So Google TV has a full Chrome web browser on it. It's Chrome 11, if I'm not mistaken. When I say full Chrome web browser, it means it supports HTML5 and all of its goodness. It has a Flash plugin built into it, but it does not support everything that Flash on the desktop, including extensions. So, but otherwise, it's pretty full-featured. The other aspect, the other open app platform is Android. So Google TV is really, it's an open apps platform, or it's two open apps platforms for smart televisions. So whether you're an Android developer or a mobile app developer, or you're a HTML5 developer, you can build apps for the platform. The other thing about it is that since it is Android, it has the Android market on it. So if you have built apps for Android tablets or phones, they potentially will actually run on the platform itself. And that's how developers distribute their applications, is via the Android market. For Google TV. One other thing, let me think. So from a game developer standpoint, if you're familiar with what Android offers, Google TV has all the same infrastructure with one exception, and that's NDK support, so no native libraries, which is kind of a big hit for a lot of developers, because if they're using Unity or some kind of engine for cross-compiling apps, it won't work quite yet. But we do have actually all the Android 2D and 3D libraries, including OpenGLES, and what else do we have? RenderScript and 2D canvases and that type of thing. So right now, we just actually relaunched the platform very recently. It was back in the end of October, early November, and we opened up the platform for developers, and that's when we put the Android market on there. So we're currently working with developers to bring apps to the platform and actually make sure their apps look great on televisions, because as you can imagine, it's more than just a big Android device. It's 1080p or 1920 by 1080 resolution. It's built for 10-foot user interface, so users aren't going to be actually touching the screen. They're going to be sitting on their couch with a remote control. So right now, there's probably about approximately 100 apps in the market that have been optimized for televisions. We've featured actually in the market about 60 of those. So these are ones that we think that look and work really well on televisions. And kind of the point of that is it's kind of a small developer ecosystem right now, so we're actually happy to work directly with developers that are building apps and bring them to the platform. So my little plug is I have some cards here that I brought along. We're actually, for developers that might want to actually build or test apps for the platform, we can actually help you, get set up, potentially ship you a device or something that effect. All you do is fill out a form, and that kind of gets the bug in our ear. So
please thank Paul.
Yeah, thanks for
inviting me.
I think it's exciting.